Start with a magic circle. Now make one stacked single crochet. To make the stacked single crochet, start off with the regular single crochet. This is the first leg and this is the second leg. Insert hook into the second leg and pull up a loop. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is one stacked single crochet made and this will be counted as one double crochet. 3 double crochets. That's total 4 double crochets made. Chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets, once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. This is the first stacked single crochet, the first double crochet. Make a slip stitch. Next round, chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 2 single crochets each into the next 4 stitches. This is the first stitch, the first stacked single crochet. This is the next stitch, 2 single crochets. Five single crochets into this chain 3 space. One slip stitch into the next double crochet. Chain 3. Next you have the chain 1 space. Here make 3 double crochets. Chain 3. One slip stitch into this next double crochet. Next you have the chain 3 space. Make 5 single crochets over here. Next you have this double crochets. Make 2 single crochets into each of the remaining double crochets. This is the first double crochet. And make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. You can weave off here and use it as an applique for your projects. Chain 10. And make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch, that is the same stitch, and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.